Friends, you are once again very welcome to Amazing Gadget and the world of awesome invention Crazy Gadget. And the gadget that comes in today's video is very special. It is more effective and perfect in its work than it is amazing to see. So friends, get ready to meet these gadgets one by one. If the channel has not subscribed, then subscribe now and get the notifications. So friends, let's start without any delay. Number 1. Anker Power Expand Dock. Guys, if you want to connect a lot of devices in a computer or a laptop and want to increase the transfer speed in your computer or laptop, then you can use this. Actually, it is a power bank that will enable you to charge your computer. It will be very helpful for you to connect things with Thunderbirds, with the help of which you can insert sound card, graphic card, etc. in your computer. Through this, your computer can become more powerful. So, if you also want to increase the performance of your laptop or computer, then these gadgets will prove to be very helpful for you in this situation. Number 2. Sharky Motorized Swimming Kickboard. Guys, if you do not know swimming, then this gadget will prove to be perfect for you. Actually, it is specially designed for children so that they can learn swimming. This is a board that works like a water bike in water. The way in which you now use a bike or car for riding, you can use it in the same way if there is no swimming in the water. This gadget comes with a charging port that you will be able to charge easily. After using it, you can enjoy water riding. Number 3. Morus Zero Vacuum Dryer. Friends, there are dryers in our washing machine, but if you want to dry them even faster, you can use them in the perfect way, because in normal washing machine dryers, your clothes do not absorb the water completely, but still there is a coolness in them for which you will need to put them in the sun. But this gadget is such that it creates a complete vacuum inside its cabin, which will work to dry your clothes so that the clothes will come out of it completely dry. So in the rainy season, this type of gadget will be amazing for you. Number 4. Shield by Damn Designs. Friends, during the coronavirus, there is a lot of fear in touching a lot of things and stuff, but still there are some things that we have to touch. So if you also want to keep yourself safe, then you can use such gadget because it will help you to touch the stuff. Actually, it is a hook that stays in the folded mode, and you press the button. These gadgets will open faster so that you can touch things or accessories. Its design has been lightened so that you can put it in the vehicles. Also, it helps you to a great extent in lifting the goods. So if you also want to keep yourself safe by doing it, then you can use this kind of gadget. Number 5. Himo Jet 20 Folding Bike. Friends, the trend of e-bike is increasing very fast these days because it does not even pollute and will save your expenses as well. If you too are think of getting an e-bike whose range you can get a good view of, then this gadget will be amazing for you. It comes with a rechargeable battery such that you will be able to charge your bike and can use it whenever you want, in which it is non-responsive, and at the same time you have a display to control where you will be able to see the information of its battery and speed, etc. So the bike of this type will be very amazing for the riding lovers. Number 6. Focal Smart Glasses. Guys, meet these smart glasses which will be very simple to see, but it can do all the work that your mobile phone does. Put your alarm in it, watching the temperature, checking the news bag. It will show all your work in its smart glass. With the help of your glass, you will also get to see the details related to all the navigation and health. In this, you get a small ring that you can control it. Number 7. Whiskey. Friends, bike's work is to walk on the road, but if I show you a bike that can walk along the road as well as in the water, then you will probably find it much more fun. This gadget is also something that can run along the road at the same speed in water, in which you will get to see a dual seat in which you can enjoy your partner with you. So friends, the link of all these gadgets is given in the description box below. If you want to buy, you can buy from there. So please like the video as well as subscribe to the channel and get the notifications. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching.